Thanks for joining us today. We're talking about Medicare and COVID-19. We're going to provide you with some more resources. My name's Tony. This is Izzy. And we're going to help navigate some of these topics that are trending right now. So right now, we want to touch on the various strains of the virus that are out there right now. And what have we got? The UK strain, which they say is a little bit deadlier than the others. South African and Brazil. There's a new Brazil strain. So just be aware. CDC is still studying those and how they spread. But we're going to provide some resources for you on that as well. Izzy, do you want to talk about the three types of vaccinations that we have now?
Absolutely. So you guys are mostly aware of the Pfizer and the Moderna one. Those are the two that have been firstly approved by the FDA.
Correct.
They went through their protocols and they have their own studies. So they met all the criteria for them to roll it out. As far as we know, those vaccinations, you can get those about 3 weeks to 4 weeks apart. Right? So you have to have two vaccinations. And then we have this new one that just came out, got approved, which is Janssen, also probably known as Johnson & Johnson is how I mostly am familiar with it.
Right.
So I like that one. That one is the one that you can get one-time deal, in and out, and you're done.
Single dose, yep.
Right, and they're all effective as far as we know.
Yep. FDA has given clearance that they're safe and effective to use. I'd say you always want to go off of what the CDC and the FDA is recommending as far as treatment goes. And that's another thing we want to talk about in this video as well, is resources for getting treatment, testing, and vaccinations.
So let's talk about the resources. So what you see here behind us is a United Healthcare site that is very user-friendly. I'm going to go ahead and just enter the zip code 64111, which is one of the main zip codes here in Jackson County, Kansas City, Missouri. But here, what I like about it, it provides you with resources for the health departments, Jackson County, Missouri Department. You can schedule a vaccination. So there are different hyperlinks that you can get to. I like this site, and this is one resource. Now, this is just one of many different carrier resources that you can go to. Aetna has one, Humana, Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Kansas City, and there's many other ones that I'm sure we haven't mentioned, though. But these are great resources to go to. Please get your vaccinations. As you know, we're in phase 1 or 2 for those seniors, those that have Medicare. Make sure you have your red, white, and blue card because most of these places will ask for that.
That's right. CMS is still covering all the expenses as far as they're concerned. In 2021, here we are in March 2021. Members just need to show their red, white, and blue Medicare ID card. Or, we have carrier resources like United Healthcare. Every carrier is going to have their site, where you punch in your zip code, and then you can figure out what locations near you to go, get put on the vaccination list. Obviously, seniors, the majority of our clients that are on Medicare, are given priority right now in the second stage. So use the resources that we provided for you to kind of figure that out. You can also reach out to me or Izzy directly. We'll have our contact information in there as well. But yeah, all costs are going to be covered. So,
you bring a very, very good, true point. Costs are definitely no factor in getting your vaccination, or if you feel like you received any of the symptoms that are related to COVID, don't worry. We keep hearing from carriers almost on a daily basis of the latest updates that are provided to us. And one of the biggest ones that they share with us is cost. There is no cost if it's any related testing, vaccinations, those sorts of different things. So please, if you're a senior, have Medicare Advantage plan or a Medicare supplement, please don't worry about the cost. If you do get any sort of balance billing, then, if you're one of our clients, please feel feel free to reach out to us.
Absolutely. We appreciate you watching today. Is there anything else that you want to add?
No, thank you for joining us, and keep watching our channel. Subscribe to our channel.
Yep, make sure and hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. We're going to try and do these more often as we get more information in about Medicare and the virus here.